So guys, this is how I made this spray effect. Guys, if you want to learn, watch to the end. Please, I'm not a pro. Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can decide to use a landscape or portrait, but I was using landscape. So you record yourself at one end of the screen, standing like you see on the screen. Now you see that same video, understand, you go back and then record yourself spraying something on a blank space. Use your imagination to see where the first person was. When you are done with this, save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut, click on the plus sign, new project, then import the video you just recorded to Capcut, as you can see on your screen right now. So guys, I made some mistakes at the beginning of the video, so what I have to do now is for me to split the video and then delete those parts I don't want to be included in the video. So that's what I'm doing now. When I split them, I delete it from behind. So now that I've gotten the correct position of the first person, I'll have to allow the video to run, so I will see where the second person came in. From there I will split those parts I don't want to be included in the video, like I did in the first one. So at this point I noticed that I made a mistake at the end part of it, so I still have to go back there and then split and delete the ending part of it, which I made mistake and I don't want them to be included in the video. So that's what you're seeing on your screen right now. So as you're doing, follow step by step, you're gonna get it. Now when you are done splitting and deleting, you go to the second part you just added, tap on it, then look for overlay. See overlay, click on overlay. Now you will be able to drag it to the beginning of the first video. It will go under the first layer. That is just it guys. Now it will cover the first layer, don't worry. What you do next is for you to check on the part, like what I did here. I checked on the part which I knew I still needed to adjust so that it will fit to what I want to do. Now this is a clear tutorial so that you will not make mistake. You will follow it exactly the way you are saying. When you are done with the adjustment, drag it to get to the beginning of the first layer, like what you are seeing on your screen. Now tap on the second layer to see options. Then you can go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. Okay, so now that we've gotten mask, you click on it. Yeah, now click on rectangle and then you look down here and click on invert. When you, after clicking on invert, then you drag it up to cover the person's head, as you are seeing on your screen. Now this is where you need to focus your attention. So guys, for watching up to this moment, it means you are getting more value from this video. Please make sure you like and share this video. Make sure you comment. If you have any issue, I'll be there to assist you. Take note, I'm not a pro, I'm just trying to share with you what I know. So don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will be notified, and then take action immediately we drop another amazing video like this. Back to the business of the day. Now click on this arrow to expand so that it will not cut out the person's body. This particular arrow you're seeing on your screen, click on it to expand it. When you are done with the expansion, now add keyframe. Here is the keyframe. After adding the keyframe, move both videos a bit. Now you can add another keyframe. When you are done with that, you come up to this rectangle and expand it to expose the first person that was there by the right, as you can see on your screen. Now the more you go, you move the video a bit, you add another keyframe, then you go back here and then expand the rectangle and drag it to reveal who is standing right there. Please take note, it is bit by bit. You don't drag it at once. You will just drag a bit, then you move the rectangle down a bit. You can expand it with through the arrow you see up here. You can use the arrow up here to expand it so that it can reveal the whole part of the body. Then you keep on moving it, and then don't forget to add keyframe as you are shifting, as you are adjusting the video, as you are moving the video. Don't forget to add keyframe so till you get to the end of it. So that is just it. So guys, let's see what we got. Thank you so much guys for watching. I believe you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to share this video so it will reach other people, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing video like this. See you in our next video.